In today's world, phone spying is a real concern, but the good news is there are simple ways to check if someone might be monitoring your device. In this guide, I'll walk you through key signs and steps to protect your privacy. First, if you're using an iPhone, pay attention to the orange and green dots at the top of your screen. An orange dot means your microphone is active, while a green dot means your camera, or both your camera and microphone, are in use. If these appear when you're not using any apps, it could be a warning sign of spying. Next, you can check for call forwarding. Simply dial star pound 21 pound on your phone. If you see that call forwarding is enabled without your permission, it could mean your calls and data are being redirected to another number. Another important step is to review devices connected to your account. On iPhones, go to Calls on Other Devices in your settings. If you see unfamiliar devices that can make or receive calls with your number, disable them immediately to stop unauthorized access. Similarly, check your text message forwarding settings. If messages are being forwarded to an unknown device, remove it right away. This prevents others from secretly receiving your private texts. Location tracking is another red flag. Go into your location services settings and check which apps have recently accessed your location. If you see apps you don't recognize or don't use, revoke their location permissions to stop unwanted tracking. You should also keep an eye on your battery usage. If unfamiliar apps are draining a lot of power in the background, it might indicate spying activity. Deleting those apps not only improves security, but also makes your phone run better. Finally, check which devices are logged into your iCloud or Google account. If you see devices you don't recognize, remove them immediately. This stops intruders from accessing your messages, photos, and personal data. By following these steps, from checking the orange and green indicators to reviewing call, message, and account settings, you can quickly spot if someone is spying on your phone and take action to secure it.